The wealth pipeline is a framework describing how capital moves from generation to accumulation and eventually to transfer. By viewing money as a flowing system, we can understand why taxation impacts different stages in unique ways. Stage 1, the inflow, represents earned income. Stage 2 is the holding tank where capital accumulates. Finally, the outflow is where wealth is transferred or spent. Different tax rules apply as capital travels through these segments. The inflow represents the first stage of the wealth pipeline. This includes your earned income, such as salaries, wages, and bonuses. This is the most heavily taxed stage. Before your earnings even reach your personal bank account, a portion is diverted through immediate income and payroll taxes. This structural leak ensures that labor is taxed at the highest point of the pipeline, creating a smaller net amount to be passed along to the next phase of accumulation. As of July 2026, the global taxation gap stands at a staggering $3.2 trillion annually. This represents the difference between the taxes owed and those actually collected. Structural analysis reveals that 70% of this gap occurs during the accumulation stage of the wealth pipeline. This highlight illustrates the massive disparity between the taxation of labor versus the taxation of stored wealth. This accumulation phase serves as a primary tax deferral zone, allowing capital to grow while significantly reducing immediate tax liabilities compared to earned income. The third and final stage is the outflow. This is where accumulated capital finally leaves the pipeline to be used by the owner or transferred to heirs. Wealth typically departs through three main channels: spending on consumption, reinvesting into new ventures, or transferring assets through estates. The outflow is a critical tax friction point. Strategies like basis adjustments or GRATs are employed here to minimize the final tax bill before the assets reach their destination. In 2026, the tax system functions through two very different pipelines. Low-tier earners rely on a labor-based pipeline. Salary flows in, taxes leak out immediately, and the remainder is consumed. In contrast, the wealthy build diversionary pipelines. Capital inflow is redirected through complex structures that allow for accumulation and asset-backed borrowing, avoiding the immediate tax outflow that labor earners experience. This structural difference creates a significant tilt in how wealth is generated and preserved, favoring those who own assets over those who provide labor. The buy, borrow, die strategy is a sophisticated method used to manage wealth without triggering immediate tax liabilities. Instead of selling assets, which triggers a capital gains tax leak, the owner holds the asset in the accumulation pipeline. The investor borrows against the equity in those assets. This loan provides tax-free cash for their lifestyle. Finally, upon death, the assets receive a step-up in basis, often erasing the tax liability entirely. This keeps the wealth in the pipeline until the very end. In the modern financial landscape, tax authorities have shifted from manual auditing to high-speed AI-driven enforcement. Previously, identifying leaks in the wealth pipeline could take years of investigation. These leaks were often difficult to track as capital moved through complex structures. Now, centralized AI processors monitor financial data in real time. By analyzing millions of transactions simultaneously, these systems detect anomalies that signify tax avoidance. What once required years of paperwork is now analyzed and flagged in just days. This drastically shortens the window for compliance, making transparency mandatory for all movements within the pipeline. Taxpayers must now report their movements with absolute precision, as the speed of enforcement has fundamentally changed the rules of the game. In the modern wealth pipeline, digital assets no longer operate in the shadows. Following 2026 OECD standards, moving tokenized assets through the pipeline is now subject to strict, automated global reporting. An automated reporting module attaches to the pipeline, tagging every transaction with identity markers. Anonymity is effectively a thing of the past. Tax authorities now have real-time visibility into digital capital flows, ensuring compliance across global jurisdictions. Historically, complex corporate structures allowed capital to leak out of the wealth pipeline through offshore tax havens. Structures like the double Irish have been systematically dismantled by global tax reforms. With these loopholes closed, companies now face higher effective tax rates on the initial inflow phase of their wealth pipeline. This ensures that capital remains within the taxable system, significantly narrowing the opportunity for wealth to disappear offshore. The step up in basis has long been a pillar of estate planning. Historically, when an asset was transferred at death, its cost basis was stepped up to fair market value, effectively erasing the capital gains tax liability on that appreciation. However, 2025 and 2026 legislative shifts have begun to restrict this benefit for high net worth estates. This change effectively widens the pipe for tax collection at the moment of wealth transfer. By limiting the step up, the tax code now captures a portion of the gains that were previously shielded, ensuring more revenue is collected as assets move to the next generation. This represents a significant transition from passive wealth retention toward active tax assessment at the point of inheritance. Historically, capital could be hidden in complex offshore pipes, effectively creating blind spots for global tax authorities. Future regulations are now pushing for a standardized global asset registry. This framework forces all assets into a unified, transparent view. Every asset will eventually be assigned a unique tax identification number, anchoring it to a verifiable owner regardless of its physical location. This makes hiding capital impossible as the pipeline becomes fully digitized and globally integrated, ensuring tax compliance is no longer manual but automated. Wealthy individuals are increasingly shifting their financial strategy. Instead of relying on traditional salary, which is heavily taxed at the inflow, they leverage their asset growth. Statistics show that households earning over $10 million annually derive less than 20% of their spending power from traditional taxed income. By borrowing against assets instead of selling them, they avoid triggering capital gains events. Traditionally, capital in the accumulation phase sits quietly. Because it is not sold, it generates no taxable income. However, G7 nations are discussing taxing unrealized gains. This would force a tax event, effectively creating a leak in the pipeline even without a sale. Currently, global tax systems prioritize taxing realized gains. This means tax is only triggered when an asset is sold, creating an incentive to hold assets indefinitely. Economists suggest a move toward pipeline taxation. This model prioritizes taxing the underlying value of an asset itself, rather than waiting for the act of selling it. By taxing the value contained within the pipeline, governments aim to create fiscal fairness, reducing the advantage of holding wealth strictly to defer tax obligations. Deferral acts as the primary valve in your wealth pipeline. By managing this valve, you control when taxes leak from your capital. When the valve is open, taxes are paid immediately on realized gains. This leaks capital out of the system, reducing the principal available for future growth. By deferring these tax events, you keep that capital inside the pipeline. This allows your principal to grow unhindered, transforming the pipeline into a powerful compounding engine. In short, deferral is not just about delay. It is about maximizing the compounding efficiency of your wealth by preventing unnecessary leaks. A leak in the wealth pipeline refers to structural tax avoidance schemes. These gaps allow capital to divert away from tax obligations. With AI-driven tax enforcement, these leaks are being identified in real time. Automated systems scan the pipeline for irregularities. Once detected, enforcement algorithms effectively patch these vulnerabilities. Financial planning must now prioritize transparency and full compliance over complex avoidance structures. In the 2026 fiscal landscape, the wealth pipeline is no longer a private path. Every stage, from inflow to outflow, requires rigorous, real-time documentation. Modern compliance relies on automated tracking. Money and data packets must now move in tandem through the pipeline. Simple documentation errors are treated as pipeline leaks. AI driven enforcement now triggers immediate automated tax assessments. Strategic asset allocation is the core of managing a wealth pipeline. The primary objective is to maintain assets within the accumulation phase for as long as possible. By focusing on growth assets that avoid immediate taxable events, we can leverage compound interest without triggering the leaks that usually draw capital into the outflow stage. This approach ensures that liquidity needs are managed without forced liquidations, effectively protecting the pipeline from premature taxation. The central debate in 2026 is whether a tax system should focus on taxing labor income, known as the inflow, or the accumulated wealth contained within the pipeline. This choice will dictate tax policy for the next decade. As societies demand more fairness, the focus is shifting toward taxing the value of accumulated assets rather than just the act of earning a salary. Ultimately, future fiscal fairness depends on balancing the burden between the generation of wealth and the storage of it. Effective tax planning is essentially pipeline management. Always consider the tax implications of moving assets from the holding tank to your bank account. This transition is the most common trigger for tax liability. Opening the valve releases your capital, but often lets tax leakage occur. Keep your assets in the holding tank as long as possible. Deferral allows your wealth to grow on the gross amount, not the net after tax. In the modern financial landscape, aggressive tax structures are increasingly targeted by real-time, AI-driven enforcement. As the global tax gap narrows, these complex schemes become high-risk liabilities. Automated systems detect anomalies in days rather than years. The most effective defense today is simplicity and rigorous documentation. By maintaining transparent records, you mitigate audit risks significantly. Focus on defensible strategies that rely on clear documentation rather than speculative avoidance. In an AI-regulated environment, compliance is your best asset. The wealth pipeline represents the essential infrastructure of global finance. It is a continuous hydraulic system where capital flows through three distinct yet interconnected stages. Understanding how capital moves through these stages, from the inflow of earned income through the tax-advantaged accumulation phase to the final outflow, is the key to long-term financial planning. By mastering these mechanisms, you are better equipped to navigate the modern tax environment and secure your future. Planning is not just about earning, it is about managing the flow. Your long-term stability depends on how you navigate this pipeline. Start today by reviewing your own financial structure.